In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account with Stripe.com, an essential step for those looking to manage online payments effectively. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the Stripe website. You'll notice the Stripe homepage, which provides all the necessary details about their payment solutions and business tools. Here, let's focus on getting you started by creating your account. In the top right corner of the homepage, there's a login option, but instead of logging in, we need to create a new account. Look for the Create Account button and give it a click. This will direct you to a new page where you'll start entering your personal information to set up your account. Now, the first piece of information you need to provide is your email address. Make sure you use the email you regularly check, as Stripe will send important updates and notifications to this address. Once you've filled that out, continue to the next field where you'll be asked for your full name. Ensure you enter your legal name here as it appears on official documents. This can help in any verification processes down the line. Following your full name, the script will guide you through setting up a password. Be sure to choose a password that's both strong and secure, combining letters, numbers, and special characters. A strong password helps protect your account from potential security threats, so take a moment to create one you can remember but is also challenging for others to guess. After you've entered your password, the next step is selecting your country. A drop-down menu is available listing various countries. Choose the country where your business is primarily based or the country you reside in, as this can influence specific features and regulations relevant to your account. With all this information entered, you are now ready to finalize your account setup. The last thing you'll need to do is hit the Create Account button. On clicking this button, your provided information will be processed, and assuming all details are correct, your new Stripe account will be created. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your Stripe account. From here, you can explore the dashboard, familiarize yourself with all the tools available, and integrate Stripe into your business processes for seamless payment handling. Remember, the foundation of a successful Stripe account setup lies in accurately entering your details and securing your account. You now have the basics down, and you're ready to explore the world of online transactions with Stripe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy transacting.